Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your PS5 is showing you the error code CE10950338, you can try these simple fixes. So first of all, you need to start with the most common cause. So this error often appears when the PlayStation servers are down. So you need to simply just open your web browser. Here in the search bar, you need to search for the PSN status page. You need to check if the services are working properly. If there is an outage, you will need to just wait until Sony fixes it. Trying other fixes won't work if the servers are down. If the servers are basically running properly, if there is no problem from theirs end, you can just simply follow this step. So this particular error means a network or server issue. So you can basically check your network settings in your PS5. For that, simply open your settings. In your settings, look for the option of network. Inside network, you will see the option of test internet connection. So you just have to select that option. If the connection is unstable, you can restart your router. You can turn it off, then wait for 30 seconds, and then you can turn it back on. For better stability, you can use a wired LAN connection instead of Wi-Fi. Now, sometimes it's just a system glitch. So in this case, you can restart your PS5 completely. Now you need to go to the settings again. This time you need to click on the option of system. Over here inside the system, make sure that you are in the system software. In the system software, look for the option of system software update and settings. Inside it, you will find the first option of update using internet. So after selecting this option, select the option of update system software. If you see any of the updates available here, simply click on the option of update and install the available updates. Updates often fix the bugs relating to the network errors, so make sure that your system is up to date. So you can try these easy fixes and see if the error is gone. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.